Hey guys, as you all saw already the other video, this is the 89 DX model, which we're gonna turn into a fucking beast. But first of all, before we can get to that, there's some repairs that need to be done on the core support, which we're looking for parts all over the junkyard, but we couldn't find anything. We found the centerpiece, but I'm pretty sure my centerpiece works. But luckily we found a CRX, a 91 I believe, and the piece, the core support, I think it's tied down right now, but the core support of this car fits right onto my car, those headlights. And from this car we actually had the sway bars as well, which we're gonna be putting into the hatch. It's a little beat up, but yeah, I don't need the car, I need the parts of it. And besides that, we already bought some other upgrades for the car, which I'm not gonna reveal yet. It's gonna come for a later video possibly. As of today, I'm just waiting for my cousin to show up, and we're gonna start working on this front end first. As for the car, I mean, I'm sure you all experts already know what kind of engine it's in and shit. I need to explain all that stuff. I don't think I have the key right now with me, but yeah, I got a D8 radiator that's gonna go into here because this is my cousin's and he's letting me borrow it for now. So I got myself a D8 one. Anyways, we're gonna try to see if we can bend these pieces back here, and the centerpiece, which is in the trunk right now, and the hood. That's another problem, because this hood fits, but it's really fucking beat up, as you can tell. So I don't know if I want to use this hood for this. And then my hood, it's rolling to a taco right now in the back of my trunk. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for my cousin to show up, and then we're gonna start working on that shit. It's just still funny how he fucking brought it, dude. That's a piece of shit right there. What is this? Two little bolts in there. So the hook. Someone already done that. Selected wood. Corners? Yeah. Well, that side's pretty decent. We can try it on. Woo! Did you move your hand already? Yeah. You can see your skin hanging off of it. Yeah? On the black one. Oh, fuck. $1 worth of crap. Okay, we're taking a detailed video of this shit. And then which one's your next? The bottom ones right there?
These three. But I'd like working down. So I go get these and then over. Get these, probably do this, and then go back down this side. Yeah, it's just squawking all over. Fucker. Let's try this. You see how it pop loose?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Que papá.
Mira, mira. You only gotta do it 3 more times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Woo! Let me get this shit on video. The price.
Nice. Yeah, that's pretty light, dude.
Yeah.
Without that centerpiece.
Hell yeah.
Just gotta do it again now.